What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone is doing well. And you know what time it is. Absolutely. It is time to see what goodies I have retrieved this time around. Hope you're ready for it. So, here we are. Let's get to it. What do we have on hand? Oh, wow. If you've been following my channel for some time, you know that I enjoy American Eagles. My preference when it comes to saving and stacking away is 1 ounce American Gold Eagles. When it comes to stacking regularly and trading in and out of metals, I like to use 1 ounce American Silver Eagles. But not only I'm a stacker, I am also a collector. And since I love American Eagles, I decided to pick up this 1 ounce platinum American Eagle. A great, beautiful collector piece. Look, the market has determined this is what I should be picking up. And that's what I decided to do. Pick up some 1 ounce platinum. That's right. Now, I am still in the market to pick up a 1 ounce American Gold Eagle. And I am just being patient to get a good feel on what the market may do next. Because I want to get the best price as possible. Although these prices are much lower than what I anticipated. So if you are still here rocking with me this far in the video, whether you're a stacker, whether you're a collector, it doesn't matter. Buy the pieces that you enjoy, add the pieces to your stack that makes sense. So therefore, you don't have any headaches when it comes to buying and selling your pieces. You may want to trade some of your silver, so make sure that you got silver that is easy to trade, that you can trade with ease, because maybe you want to up your game and pick up some more gold pieces. There's nothing wrong with that. But there is also nothing wrong with buying something that you enjoy just for the hell of it. Now, if we see platinum just do numbers here, then by all means, if the price is right, this platinum eagle may disappear. But in the meantime, I'm going to hang on to it. I'm okay with what the prices are currently in the market, and I am still looking to get the best price on a 1 ounce American Gold Eagle. And when I get one, I just may share it with you. It all depends on how many likes that I can get on this video. So if you're still rocking with me this far, and if this is your first time stopping by, give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.